tell you that. Do you think fighting with him was funny?
No.
Why'd you do it? You got the headlines. You happy, right? Why do you think fighting with him was funny? Come here, come here. Stand right here. Don't flip me out before I get you fired. You think fighting with him was funny?
Yes, it was.
Well, who got the headline?
You did.
You know why, right?
You're a bitch.
Look over. No, he got it because you attacked him. If he would have attacked you, I would just give you. I don't care what you wrote. But don't touch me. Now, go back to your desk, both of you. Go. Go.
Ow!
You too.
You wouldn't be so tough if it wasn't for that fight.
What? He hit me. He hit me again with the chair. I don't care. Get back to work.
Are we getting another paper again?
Yes, who's gonna get the headline? The retard or the little munchkin?
Here's my pen. Finish.
Oh, bring it in. I know you're not gonna do it now, so I know you're gonna try to get that headline long. Wait, sit back at your desk. Go. Yes, yes. Think about it. Where's my pen at?
I have a pen right here.
Give back my pen. Go get your.
Now I have no pen. Now I can't write. Oh, can I use this? Can I use this? I don't have a pen.
Elias,
What?
you'll get the headline.
Oh,
Come here.
what?
You think this line funny? Big bike, come on. No, it's not. Go work on it.
Can I please use the pen?
No.
I don't have one.
Well, go look for yours. Take this too. Nasser.
Yes.
You get next week's headline. Now, Elias.
I'm gonna kill you.
No, move, dude.
I'm gonna kill you.
Wow. Go sit back at your desk.
I'm gonna kill you, you faggot.
Elias.
What?
Your headline was crap. Nasser, your headline was next week's good week.
Oh no, you kidding?
Why are you guys trying to start a fight? Nasser. Give it a face.
No!
Hey.
Oh! Oh! Ow! Ow!
Get up, stop screaming.
Ow! Make him stop! Oh! Oh, die! Ow! 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 Ow!
Don't kick him too hard.
Ow! Ow!
Keep his head in the dirt. Why? Because he won your headline. That was funny.
Did it disconnect?
No, good. Now go show him that he doesn't deserve your headlights.